Hi, everybody. Some folks missed class today, and we have our end of unit assessment today, which is November 12th, and tomorrow. So I'm just going to go through this very quickly so you can get on to Data Link and go ahead and take the test. It's very important that you take this test. This is the first big assessment of Unit 2, and it is a formative assessment, which means it's worth a lot of points. Nuts and bolts. This is going to be taken on Data Link, access through Clever, multiple choice, and a constructed answer, just like the mid-unit assessment, and it's going to be completed over the next 2 days. So steps for success. This is all based on data I got from your first exam, that mid-unit assessment. First of all, the first thing to do, read all the questions. Read all of the questions on the test. There are 11 on this test. Then read through that whole text that we're using for this assessment without stopping or answering any questions. Don't do anything except read through. Then you'll need to read the text again. This time use those annotation tools provided on the assessment to take notes and highlight important information. After that, go through and look at any words that you don't recognize in the text and look those words up. The fifth thing that you're going to do is answer those multiple choice questions and then go back and confirm that you answered correctly by comparing your answers to the text and seeing where you can find them either explicitly or implicitly in the text. Now, for the constructed answer, this is where a lot of you fell short in the mid-unit assessment. First of all, annotate that prompt for the constructed response, just like you would any text. Annotate that prompt and then rewrite it in your own words so that you know that what they are asking of you. And then carefully outline your response. Don't just write it and submit it. Outline it, look at it, see if you have fully answered everything in the prompt, and then find that evidence in the article and add it to your response. This should only be paraphrases from the article or very short quotes. Do not copy and paste whole paragraphs or anything like that. This should mostly be your writing. Now, you are going to save your answer, copy and paste it into a Google or Word document, and then save that response, but do not submit your test yet. If you are seeing this on Thursday, do not submit your test yet. Just pause it and exit. You'll see a little box at the top of the page when you do that. It says you can pause it and return later. And then tomorrow, when we come into class, I'm going to ask you all to look all the way through your test with fresh eyes so that you can make sure your answers are as accurate as possible, especially your constructed answer if you get to it. Okay, I am going to put the instructions on how to access the test in a comment with this video. All right, my loves, you got this.